picked one up, but it was a little mushy, so I let go of it. Hey, Cindy. Cindy, what's going on? What's going on? Look. What do you think? Is that a nice looking tomato? Cindy, let's do a trick. Cindy. Cindy, sit. 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 Spin. Jump. Speak. Good girl. Good girl, good girl. All right, let's continue harvesting. Welcome back. It's Dave, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a fun behind-the-scenes harvesting video. If you guys are returning viewers, or if this is your first time, definitely you might not know, but this raised bed my wife and I were able to create. We used a lot of repurposed materials that would have normally ended to the landfill, and because of that, we had a lot of rain, and unfortunately, this bed has seen better days. We are transitioning right now in the process of removing this compost that we've added on. This bed is about 1 year old. We were inspired by what I call one of the pioneers, Charles Dowding, where he talks about various gardening techniques, but in this specific video, we're going to talk about the Hugelkultur method, and I did imply adding a lot of different logs, branches, etc. But I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a close-up where you will see this log after 1 year of being inside of a raised bed. It has slowly started decompositioning. Very similar to wood chips, that would be one way of seeing it. And I did read on various articles online that these logs are able to maintain and hold water. Now, if you're thinking, David, does it really work? Well, I really like it. I haven't really fertilized anything, to be very frank with all of you, and I'm just kind of letting the compost do all the natural fertilization. This year, I am focusing on keeping things a little bit more simple, although everything does require some manual work. You'll be surprised, I'm actually dropping pounds as much work is required, and I wanted to share that with you. Let me know, are you guys being inspired to starting a garden? Do you like to watch videos of people on the internet filming themselves? Or do you want to kind of join me in this adventure and give me some suggestions? What else do you guys want to see this year? Don't forget, this channel is primarily for my viewers, you guys. Thank you for the support that the channel has been seeing. You guys can hear my baby Ellie in the background. Oh, it's okay, my love. We're doing a little voiceover. It's alright, let's keep rolling with it. Today, we're just going to be thankful for being able to live another day, having shelter, and being able to not only provide food for our family, but being able to spread some positivity for someone who's out there and might need a little bit of words of encouragement. So let's take a second to reflect on what we're thankful for, and we'll continue shortly. Now, I personally did not know I can even grow a loofah at home. So yeah, this is a really big shock to myself, and I really want to self-document it and ask, have you guys ever tried growing loofah at home? Will you be inspired to start growing loofah at home? Or do you just like watching people from the internet growing things in their backyard? Well, at the end of the day, we're just here to have a good time, and let's just continue with this video. I'm going to go ahead and take a small pause for now. Enjoy this, and let's reflect back in a few. And if you think this is big, got another one. Lily, Hi, kitty. Oh, never mind. Lily's gone. Let's take one of these beets. That is beautiful. Really, really nice. We have another one back here. What do you guys think of today's harvest? Not bad. We have enough loofahs for a lifetime. We have some smaller, really small pumpkins that we're gonna eat while they're tender. We got these massive monsters. And this weighs about the size of a 25 kettle. Oh my God. Yeah, let's not pick those up. And we have a lot of smaller baby loofahs that we're gonna eat. Cindy wants to eat them all. 2 beets, Swiss chard, and unlimited basil. We pulled all of these seeds, and I'm not done. I still gotta figure out what to do with the rest of the stuff. The plan here is the irrigation must go, the cattle panel must go, and the trellis stakes are going to be removed. We also have to take off the solar lights that we have up here. And once we do that, we're hoping I can put the wheelbarrow in and continue to remove all of this soil. And once I'm done with this side, I'm eventually going to make my way to here. All right. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you, everyone. Cindy. No, that is not a snack for you. Cindy, you need to be a good girl. You need to be a good girl. We have to Google it if you can even eat that. You gotta stop eating it. We'll find out if it's safe for you after, okay? Say bye to everybody. Say bye. Say bye.